Sandwich Dad. Da, 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 da. Sandwich Dad. Hello, everyone. Sandwich Dad here. You know, I like to think as a participant in Sandwich TikTok that I know what's going on. But of course, as a dad, I guess I'm no longer with it. And I had no idea that the grinder salad sandwich was trending. I gotta make one. I gotta get on it. Luckily, I've got this half loaf of French bread. I recently picked up a sub trio from Ziggy's, salami, bologna, and smoked Black Forest ham. I bought way too much pepperoni for $10. I sadly did not pick up any gabagool, but I do have some turkey, so pitter patter, let's get at her. Split our bread, tamp down that top piece a bit. All right. Start throwing on some of this Ziggy's pizza mozzarella. I know some of you are going to say, hey, Dad, where's the provolone? Well, it's bloody expensive up here, so leave me provolone. I'm just kidding. You can provocall me anytime. Anyway, once the cheese is a bit melty, start laying on our sub stacks here. Bologna, salami, ham, the Subway cold cut combo. A little bit of turkey on there, and that pepperoni. Then we'll get that toasted again. While that's toasting, let's make our salad. No name mayonnaise, no name red wine vinegar, no name crushed red pepper, chopped garlic, chopped up pepperoncinis, oregano, salt and pepper, sliced red onion, parmigiano cipifico, and some shredded iceberg. Mix. Pull the toasty sandwich out of the oven. Put some nice slices of tomato on one side. Of course, always salt and pepper your tomatoes. Right, boy? Then let's put some of our grinder salad on the other side here. Oh, I forgot to parm the meat, so we'll take the tomatoes off and do that real quick. Now that that's sorted, let's put it all together. Oh my. I think we're going to need a cross-section. Cut horizontally to be weird, and there we have it, friends. That is a very nice-looking sandwich. You with me for the taste test, boy? Let's do it. This is viral for a reason. There you go, lad. Have some. This is Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad saying, good day.